Well, she's a graduate of the Montego Bay High School for Girls, graduating with distinction. And when I say distinction, and I mean 12 distinctions at the CSEC exams. She got 3 in 4th form, 9 in 5th form, and she just told me she had about 52 of them. Her name is Karena Gayle. Karena, welcome to Smile Jamaica. How are you?
I'm doing so good. Good morning and happy birthday.
Oh, thank you very, very much. 12 ones? Eh?
12 months.
Even though I read where you said you were surprised, I kind of feel it, kind of expect that you were going to do, you would do very, very well, don't?
Yeah, I mean, I worked for it, so I expected it, but I was still surprised.
Yeah, in 4th form, it would have been face-to-face classes at that time, right?
No, actually, we went off in March before the exams.
So
it would.
In 4th form, it was also online. I thought, oh, so you got all 12 doing online. How was that for you? Wasn't that difficult though?
I honestly preferred it because online schooling made me a bit more focused because I realized that it was all up to me, literally all up to me.
You preferred online. Are you suggesting that were it not online, you don't think you'd have got those 12 ones?
I would have, well, hopefully, but I feel like the online schooling really, really made it better for me.
Yeah. Wow. Tell me the 12 of them. You remember them? Because if memory is one.
All right. So it's mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, principles of accounts, principles of business, Spanish, social studies, physical education, religious education, English language, and lastly, English literature.
You sure you don't leave out any?
No, I was counting on my hand, so I know that's 12.
Where's your strength? In a serious way, where's your strength in all of that?
I think my strength really lies in my dad.
Why?
Why? Because since I was really, really, really young, he really built the foundation. So while everyone else was allowed to watch Dora, watch SpongeBob, I never had that opportunity. My dad didn't even buy cable because he said it would be a distraction. And he said that I am destined to be great. He always told me since I was really small. I'm his first child as well, so I think that's why.
So you believed him when he told you that you were destined to be great?
No, I did not.
But you proved him right, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Well, it sounds like all you do is study, 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 study. But I have a feeling, just speaking with you so far, that no, you do other things too, don't you? You look like you're a little troublesome sometimes too, don't it?
I do a lot of stuff, actually. I think I just study when it's necessary.
What does that mean? Because to get 12 ones when it's necessary sound like the entire day?
Well, actually, no. I think I'm a fast enough learner. So I don't really have to pay attention in class, per se. I just need to read the book and I'm fine, literally. So
Yeah.
I waste my whole day. I know I have a test coming up and it's the night before. I spend probably 3 hours and I finish the whole topic and I'm fine.
Oh, well, I don't know if you did want to tell everybody else that, because if they follow you, they might not work out as well as it worked out for you. What about now? You're back face-to-face? Because 11, 12, and 13 should be face-to-face now, right?
Yes, we are.
More difficult for you? Or you want to go back online?
I do not want to go online because A, I get lunch money. But the waking up early for me, I don't really like it, and I have to go to bed way. Well, I go to bed at the same time, so I get way less rest, and I don't appreciate that. But I like the face-to-face classes. I like my classmates.
You get lunch money. Well, that's an interesting one. What you gonna be at the end of the day?
At the end of the day, I'll be an orthodontist and helping individuals who had challenges like myself. I had really crooked teeth. So I'm looking forward to becoming an orthodontist and also an entrepreneur being a supermarket franchise holder.
Why? I cannot, well,
Why?
you explained the orthodontist part. Why supermarket?
Okay.
'Cause
So
you get lunch money.
uh, no, actually, it's my dad as well. My dad himself is an entrepreneur, and I don't feel like I owe it to him, but I feel it would pay him a little bit of homage and respect to go in the same field, and I see how it has helped our family. So I'd love to do that as well. And it's always good to have a business. It's
Yeah,
always good to have a
it is.
business.
You told me that your dad is your strength. But when did you realize, I was going to say as a young person, but you're still young, as a younger person, that, you know, I have some quality here academically? When did you realize that?
I would say in kindergarten. I would say in kindergarten.
Right.
Because since then, I have always been a star student. I remember slipping up in like third grade at Howard Cook Primary, and I never forgave myself for that. I came second. That was the first time ever in my life I came second in a class.
Wow.
And I made sure to come first throughout after that. So grade 4, 5, 6 after that, first place.
Yeah. You have a goal to achieve by age 26, your doctorate.
Yes, that's correct.
And how old are you now, lady?
I'm 16 years old.
How much is that now? 16 and what? 8? How much is that? 16 and 10? 16 and
10,
10? 10. So you have 10 years to become Dr. Gayle. Think you can do it?
Dr. Gayle.
Think you can do it? Think you will do it?
I know I can, and I know I will.
Ah, that's fantastic. Play any sport?
Yes, I used to do track and field for Mobile High.
You're too young to use to do anything at all. You're 16, I mean, you're used to. So you stop?
The pandemic. Since the pandemic, we haven't done any sports because of the fear of COVID-19.
Plan to go back?
No, not really.
All right. All right. Yeah, about 30 seconds to say something to the youngsters like yourself who would want to achieve what you have done thus far. What do you say to them?
The basics. Believe in yourself, work hard, pray about it. God will get you through, and you can do it. I promise you, you can do it.
Boy, you're such an inspiration to me personally, and to everyone I'm sure watching, listening this morning. You're so confident. I congratulate you once again, Dr. Gayle.
Thank you so much.
And I think we will have another chat before I'm finished in this seat. So, Dr. Gayle, be safe, look after yourself, say hi to your family. We love you. We love you like crazy because you are what is good about our country. God bless. Stay safe, all right?
Thank you so much. You too.
Yeah, man. Karena Gayle. She's a graduate of the Montego Bay High School for Girls, graduating with 12 distinctions. Well, she graduated though, because the minister say you can't graduate in fifth form anymore.